Welcome back to the channel. I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator, and today let's talk about AI and outsourcing content management. In today's online world, content is king. Every business that's on the internet needs good content to make a name for itself and rank higher on search engines. But let's be real, coming up with fresh content can be tough, even for seasoned professionals. For startups that are already busy with their website and social media accounts, creating content can be overwhelming. Luckily, there are ways to ease the load with technology. Teams can hire staff and offshore content team or even get an AI to help them out. While both options are popular, businesses may still have a hard time finding the better option for them. So let's take a closer look at outsourcing content and using AI to figure out which is best for your needs. AI content creation uses AI technology to produce written content such as blog posts, social media content, and product listings. It works by analyzing data and following predetermined patterns. The goal is to help marketers create content quickly and efficiently. The AI content creation process involves using natural language generation and processing algorithms to understand and produce content that sounds like it was written by a human. Using AI to create content can either help or hurt a business, depending on how it's done. Now let's see some of the pros and cons of using artificial intelligence. It's fast. AI can create a 1,000-word article in just a few seconds using short prompts. This helps companies speed and scale up their content production process. It's cost-effective. Many content generation tools are free or have a low subscription rate. This makes it more affordable than hiring human writers in the long run, especially for new businesses. It's a great idea starter. Sometimes content writers struggle with writer's block, causing delays in the content production process. AI can generate outlines and prompts to help them get started. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. While AI content creation tools can speed up content production, they also have some drawbacks that make them less appealing compared to professional human writers. AI content generators are useful, but they often lack creativity and produce predictable content. This can make it hard for businesses to stand out and create something truly unique. Plus, AI can't create those aha moments like a human writer can. Another problem with AI content generators is that they lack emotional intelligence. Writing that emotionally connects with the audience is crucial for businesses. But because AI uses algorithms to create content, it can often sound robotic and impersonal. AI content creation tools often do not focus on SEO optimization and instead pull content from various web sources. For a blog post to rank well, it needs to include many keywords which an AI may not be able to do naturally. This means it can be difficult for businesses to improve their search engine rankings, which can hurt their website traffic and online visibility. Outsourcing content management can bring benefits such as producing high-quality content. Freelancers or offshore teams can help companies create content that demonstrates their knowledge and experience in their field. These teams use reliable sources to research and write data-backed content. Human-written content can offer new and unique angles to the topics and content that your business shares. They can even help repurpose or create new content formats like videos or infographics out of your existing ones. Organizations can be flexible with their staffing when it comes to content creation. They can hire writers and other related roles based on their needs and the amount of content they plan to produce. Hiring offshore writers and creators for project-based and short-term roles can be more cost-effective than having in-house staff. Despite the fact that human-created content can have its own issues, such as copyright infringement, poor SEO, or not matching the company's brand image, organizations can still improve the quality of their outsourced content by following some tips. Make a guide for writing style. Develop a set of guidelines that specify the right format and the use of the brand's tone in content creation. Get an experienced and dedicated editor on board. Your skilled editor will review and revise every piece of content prior to posting them on websites and social media platforms to ensure that they meet your standards and guidelines. Find topics for the writers. You can either approve or provide a list of topics that they can use for writing content. No matter what service you choose, both AI and outsourced content can have a big impact on your content marketing plan. You can utilize AI-generated content to create a starting point for your strategy and make use of its speed and precision to produce articles and other media that fit your needs. Always review and edit the content produced by your AI software to avoid errors that could damage your credibility and ranking due to Google's new policy. When outsourcing content, it can help you scale and improve your content strategy, but it's important to consider the experience of the teams you'll work with to ensure high-quality content production. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if this has been helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Take care and bye!